Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. In my previous video, I show you how to connect this wastewater pipe everything. So I face some difficulty to connect this wash basin to this floor drain because I am not using an gully trap, so I am directly using the with the connection. So now I found the easiest way. See, always this when you are drawing plumbing, sometimes you find difficult to work. So there's the easiest way you have to find yourself. The way I work and the way you work always will be different. So let's click this one. So click this create pipe and here is minus 800 or minus value how much you want, any value. So slope down because it's going down. 1 to 100 it's clear. Click and 45 and 45. Keep remember if there's enough space to make their fittings, it will not allow you to draw. So align, click here and this one. Okay. So now I need a section. So I will use the same section. Right click to view. So here you see the pipe is higher and I cannot put the fittings here because no space. So let's make this one down. Okay. So here if you move from here up, it will give you error. This is the problem I faced. So I found a solution. You can move from here. So let's move from here. It will not give you any error. So it's almost coming in the screen. So here now if I drag direct to the pipe, it will connect automatically. So it's like this is very easy for you. Okay. So now you can do this one everything. I have to do this everything. I will do it in the offline. I don't want to waste your time. And now we will go to connect our water supply like domestic water and hot water. So I will use the same section, or if you want to use different sections, it's your choice. But I don't want to create more sections. So right click, go to view. So here I have a problem because the pipe is outside of the wash basin. So I have pinned this one, so you can unpin from here, or you can type UP. So align, click this. I want to top this one to be touched. So for the clear view, I will make the wireframe. So it will be a clear view. Okay. Now this is for the cold. This is for the hot. So in the pipe, this is for the cold. This is for the hot. But here you say both are cold. So you can double click or go to the edit family. Select the left one. And here you will change domestic hot water and load into project. I don't want to save, so no. And overwrite the existing version and the parameter. So whatever parameter value you change, it will be changed. So I need another section from here. Start like this. So I don't want to see all. So I want to see only one angle wall. Okay. Right click. Go to view. So you can make up this one for the clear view. Don't forget to make fine. Otherwise you cannot see the pipe. So this one, I will select this. So you can maintain certain distance if you want, like 150 or something. You can type. Okay, I did one mistake. Escape again. So this time I don't need slope. So no slope. Slope is off. Okay, 150. Okay, then just up. So if you want to reduce for the 50 or 100, it is your choice. So let's move for the 100. So click here, somewhere here, just go for the 50. So it is 100 distance from here to here. Now I will go to the main view for the second one. So section, this one I will not do now. Third section, same, click, also 100 and go. So it will change automatically. Now here, I will come here. So both I can see. So this one up to, I want to see the roof. Okay. So I align, I can click this, and also this. So it is not same distance. Maybe let's go for the wireframe. Yeah, align, click this and click this. It will be same distance. Okay, now it's done. So if you go here, now I will make up the other section. So I want to align also. So it's done. So now how I will connect this one to here? Very simple. Select this all. Go to BX, or you can go for the this 3D section box. And if you click here, it will zoom. So you can see the pipe, everything here. So let's make wireframe. So let's connect this guy. Let's pin this guy first. So right click here, draw flexible pipe. So you can click like this and connect here. So when you see the 3D, you see it's like this. So let's make front. So here we can go for the wireframe. So it's not okay. So click this one. You see this vertex? You can move. If you want additional, just right click, insert vertex anywhere you want. And it's very easy. Okay. So I can do it from here also. Draw flexible pipe. So it's a little difficult. Let's go for the angle. So draw flex pipe. So like this here. So if you rotate, press shift and rotate, you see here some issues. So front, click this one. Why this issue? Because of the line, the way it goes. So go back. Here you can manage. So let's go for the 3D. So you will see how pipe connected. So in the left view section, so you can check here also. Okay, it's already done. So like this, you have to connect everything. So it's very easy, but when you are drawing first time, you feel difficulty, but little it will be, you feel very easy to work, and you see this connection. Okay. The same way we have to do all the kind, all the wash basin connection. So here also same. So let's go for the other guy. In, so I will do only one bathroom. So let's go with the WC. So let's come here. Let's check, go to view. So how it is going to work. Here it's same concept. So before that one, I will go to the main view. I want this one to be here. So before that one, just click this one, go to view. So you have to make sure which one first, this one or this one. So because the rest I will take T connection. So I want to take this one first. So let's move this one here. Right click, go to view. Okay, the same way. I click this one, maybe 100. So I will go up. Okay. Then and I will go section this one or this one. 1 minute. This one, yeah. So here again. So again, so you have to give the same value 150 and little up. So if you go to this area, draw pipe and connect. So I think it's not in the same distance. See the different. I think I gave 150. I remember. Anyhow, here you can align this one to here. Okay, align this one to here. Then in the front, this section, draw pipe. So it's connected. It's very easy. So let's make down. Okay. Now select this all. Again, you can go to the 3D. So here, you press shift and rotate. Click on fittings and rotate. So it's easy to rotate. This is related to wash basin. Okay. So here, this is 50. Right click, draw flex pipe. You can connect directly like this. Then in the front, you can make vertex one, insert vertex, another one. So you can move like this. More and insert another vertex. Something like this. Or you can come down and up if you want. Because normally it will be like that. So another vertex. So another vertex. To check how you want, you can make it. Another vertex here somewhere. Yeah, something like this. Okay. So in the 3D you can see this pipe. Let's click on this pipe. shift. You can see this one is connected. Okay. So you cannot do 100% reality, but minimum you can do it. So here in this tank, I have a connection here in the below backside. So I can go with this one section. Here I have. So let's go here. I think this one is not okay. So I will go edit family. So I don't need it here. I need it here, somewhere here, up. So let's delete. I don't want there. So create pipe connector here. So I can make it 15. Okay, I will select first. Radius is 15 and it is domestic cold water and I need, okay, now there's another issue. I cannot create less just like this because I need up. So let's delete this one. So this way, let's draw some connection. I need it here. So set, pick a plan. No, set, pick a line. No, pick a plan. Here, set, pick plan. So here, tab. So this one. So I can choose a circle. So just make somewhere up here. Okay. So if you go to the 3D, not this 3D, the family 3D. I think I'm already in the 3D. So here I need only like 20 or 10 something. Now create pipe connector. Okay. This one 15 and also domestic cold water apply. I think this is also I want to make 15. Yeah, click this one. It's 7.5. Enter. Let's check this one. This is wrong because it should be 7.5 also. Okay, now load into project. No. Override the existing version. So in the 3D or in the front, so you can click this or this. I click draw pipe, but why not coming? Okay, let's go here. I click draw flexible pipe, save, click like this. Okay, in the front, same issue. So let's check the section. Yeah. Okay, it's very easy to do. So if you see in the 3D, it's already done. So let's take one full bathroom, like full toilet. Okay, this one is here. Shift down. When you rotate, just press shift. Okay, now this one, let's make. So I have WC connection. I have floor drain connection. I have wash basin connection. And I have this toilet, everything connection. So if you change this onto the coordination, you see this is look like this. So this one is moved very far. Let's make a wireframe. It's inside the wall. So let's take like this. Okay. Let's pattern. Can change the flex, I think. I think it's not changing any big deal. It's not big changes. Anyhow, this is how we do the piping. So let's go for the shower. So shower here. So same concept. Come first here. So this is hot water. This is cold water. Right click. Go to view. So here you have to do draw pipe and also 150 or 100. Then go up and connect with the flexible. It's the same concept. So I don't want to repeat it. So it will waste your time. So you have to do everything. It's all. So as I did here, same here also. Do this everything. So I will do it in the offline, or if you want to change the, let's say this one, this connection is not okay. So you can change how I change in the WC. So it's very easy. So you can make your piping for the domestic water heater, a domestic water line, and then hot water line. So here nothing else big thing. So you know how to connect the drainage. You know how to take slope. You know how to take waste pipe. You know how to change the system family. And you know how to connect the domestic water tank. And then hot water, the domestic water pipe connection. Then hot water connection. So my planning, if I go to my 3D plan, so I will remove this apply. So this is the one shade. So here I am going to connect all everything with the plumbing, and I am going to use a roof and run the network, and also I am planning to put some circulation pump for the water heater because I want to make centralized pipe. So how I will do? I will do in the next video. So I will put in next video. So I will not going to repeat this one. Okay. So I will put some pipes. This one, everything. And this is this trend also same like this here. Also, you will put it same way how I drew. If you don't remember, just go to my first second video. You will know how to do it. And in the roof, I will make water tank, pump, circulation pump, and centralized water heater. So if it is centralized water heater, I forget to tell you something. I will do it for here. So here I will come. So let's make this one. Go to view. Okay. So if it is a centralized water heater, let's make this one a little bit here. So I will create a pipe here, or I can cut from here. So somewhere here. So this one I don't want it. And draw pipe. Okay. So it will go up again up to here. Okay. So this one for the circulation. So here you click here, delete it. So you can make TR connection here, TR to here to here, not coming. Click this one and drag to this, connect that, this one to here. So there will be a T connection. So this is for the circulation, this is for the supply. So if you are using the centralized water heater. So let's make it little bit. Okay. So this has to be done also. So here also should be done. So let's make this one also. So I'm not going to do the flags because I have to modify little. So follow same how I modify here. Everything I will not show you because you have to try yourself also. Right click, go to view. So this is a domestic, a cold water. So 150 or 100, your choice. Come here. Yeah, better. Please follow same because it will easy for you to work. So now I need this same section here. Always try to find the easiest way. Don't make yourself very hard. Okay. Just follow simple techniques. It will make your work easier. So right click, go to view. So this one I can make a line. Okay, now still I need another connection. So let's follow same concept. I don't need this. Draw pipe. Okay. So let's delete this one again. Connect this one to here. And connect this one to here. Because this one also I'm going to use. Centralize. Okay. So I need to put something down here connected because this shower is not good, but take good shower fittings. So one here from flexible, one here from flexible. So always go with the material submitter. So in my next video, I will show you how to, I will connect this all network together with how make pipe sizings. And I will put one circulation pump for the hot water tank and pump incoming everything. So you will know once I finish that one how to make plumbing everything. Then the next video I will teach you how to make firefightings. Then one by one. So if you are working as a gas line, or some oil firm, the plumbing, they have some standard. If they, I don't know, they have, I think they don't have slope in the oil. A gas line, they have no slope, and the oil transferring pipe also, I think no slope, but they have some standard. But the way of drawing like this, so maybe they have different kind of fittings and all same. Only you have to change the system. Very easy. Go to the family piping system. You can change whatever system you want. So here, rainwater pipe, sanitary, all are just duplicate and change. So rainwater also can be done. It's all in your idea. So if you are already a mechanical engineer or mechanical draftsman, you know how to do. So this is the technique I am teaching you how to draw in Revit. So inshallah, we will meet you in next video. If you're not subscribed my channel, subscribe so we can learn together. So until next video, take care. Bye. Assalamu alaikum.